You made it this far, and you haven't been killed by sharks. You haven't stepped on a landmine. You haven't had your body torn apart. Blood is still pumping through the functional valves of your heart. And you're smart and you're alive, and you can sleep and wake up, and don't choke on your food, and don't fall in the shower. You've survived one more year, and we're terribly proud of you. Peanuts can be deadly, and so can a shellfish in a body that chooses to go. If you'd had a seizure, or if you'd had an aneurysm, you could have lost the parts of your brain that would know that. I know that in all of these years, you didn't let your skin burn off.